Are you tired of sending boring, impersonal scheduling links that scream, "Am I just a time slot?" to you? Well, say goodbye to the cold, transactional vibes of traditional scheduling tools, and hello to Zcal, a design-first scheduling platform that will transform how you connect with clients. Stick around because today we're diving deep into what makes Zcal the go-to choice for freelancers, marketing agencies, and sales managers. So, what's Zcal all about? Imagine a scheduling tool with the customization power of Typeform and the functionality to rival heavyweights like Calendly and Acuity scheduling. Zcal helps you design client-facing booking pages that aren't just functional. They're stunning. From custom fonts and colors to personalized layouts and videos, Zcal ensures your scheduling pages capture your brand's unique vibe. Let's talk features and benefits. First, Zcal ensures you always stay on brand. With Zcal, you're in control of every design detail. Choose custom fonts, colors, and layouts that reflect your brand. Add media like images and videos to elevate your scheduling pages. Maintain consistency across all client-facing pages, from booking to rescheduling and cancellations. No more cookie-cutter scheduling links. Every page looks and feels like your brand. And if you're not sure where to start, Zcal offers themed templates to make your pages pop. You can even upload your own assets or choose from their library of stock images and videos. Next, build relationships before the call. Let's face it, first impressions matter. Zcal lets you add video introductions to your scheduling pages. You can record a quick intro directly on Zcal or upload a pre-made video. Set clear expectations for your meeting and reduce no-shows. This feature is perfect for building trust and creating a personal connection before you even say, "Hello, got a team involved in your calls?" No problem. Zcal makes team scheduling a breeze. Sync multiple calendars to find the perfect time slot for everyone. Use collective scheduling to automatically check availability across team members. Opt for round robin, scheduling to distribute meeting hosts evenly. Whether it's a team meeting or a one-on-one, Zcal ensures no one gets overwhelmed. Zcal doesn't just stop at the basics. It's packed with advanced features. Create custom team pages where clients can book individual team members. Set buffer times, meeting limits, and minimum notice to prevent burnout. Allow multiple invitees to book the same slot. Perfect for live webinars, events, and classes. Zcal integrates seamlessly with tools you already use, including Google Calendar, Outlook, Calendar, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Google Meet. You'll never miss a beat, no matter what platform you're on. So, why settle for boring and impersonal scheduling tools when you can wow your clients with Zcal's stunning scheduling pages? And here's the best part. You can try Zcal with a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's right, 2 full months to make sure it's the right fit for you. Ready to elevate your scheduling game? Click the link below to grab lifetime access to Zcal. Trust me, your clients will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tools to boost your productivity and grow your business. See you in the next video. Hey there, productivity enthusiasts. Are you tired of